Want to recharge your Lyca Mobile SIM? In this video, I'll show you the easy way to top up your account. First, open the Lyca Mobile website on your phone and go to the top-up section. Enter your Lyca mobile number and make sure the number is correct before continuing. Next, choose the amount you want to recharge. Select your payment method and complete the payment securely. Once the payment is confirmed, your Lyca Mobile balance should be updated. You can now check your balance and start using your mobile service. To recharge with a Lyca Mobile voucher, enter the voucher PIN and follow the instructions to complete your top-up. To check your Lyca Mobile number, dial *132# and press the call button. Your mobile number will appear on the screen. To check your Lyca Mobile balance, dial *131# and press the call button. Your balance will appear on your screen. To contact Lyca Mobile customer service, dial 32 from your Lyca Mobile number. From another network, call 0207 13222. And that's how you can easily top up your Lyca Mobile SIM, check your number and balance, and contact customer service. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, turn on notifications for more Lyca Mobile tips and tutorials.